This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Jim Kruger. Amazing country setting for this 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. If you're looking for a very well-kept ranch home with a ton of storage, this is it. 2.55 acres with a fenced-in backyard. Main floor laundry. Central vac. 2-stall attached garage and a 24x30 detached garage. Screen porch. 200 amp electric. Wood fireplace. Multiple home heating sources. This house even has a walk-in tub in the main bathroom. Full dry basement with rec room, den, storage room, wood room, utility room and cellar. Move-in ready. Call now to schedule your private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Kruger.